These are circle basics, part 1. So for our notes today, this will be video notes part 1. The first definition we're going to go over will be the circle. So a circle is the locus or set of points. We'll put set of all points. Abbreviate points here with PTS. Points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point called the center. So in our picture here, we have a circle, right? And we're going to call it circle J. J is going to be the center of our circle. And how we name it is we can simply say circle J, or with notation we'll draw a mini circle with the center point and label it J. Part of our circle we have what's called a chord. A chord is a segment with endpoints on the circle. So for example, we have two chords on this picture. AC is a chord. Because the endpoints are on the circle, and we just name the segment AC. We also have segment GD because these are two endpoints that lie on the circle. Our next definition will be a tangent line. So our tangent line is a line intersecting the circle at one point. All right, and this point is called the point of tangency. So on our picture, the tangent line would be this one because it intersects the circle at one point. So here's the tangent. And X would be the point of tangency. And real quick, the definition of our point of tangency. Is a point where a tangent line meets a circle. We'll put tangent line and circle meet. When we name a tangent, notice that it is a line, not a segment, so there's no endpoints. So we have XM, and we have to have arrows in our name. Okay. The next definition is going to be the diameter. You may have heard of a diameter before. It's a segment, so we have endpoints. So a segment with endpoints on the circle. Passing through the center. So our diameter in this picture will be this one. So this is our diameter. Because my endpoints are on the circle and it passes through the center. We would name it the same way we did with a chord, so GD. So GD is also diameter and a chord. A radius is our next definition. And the radius is a segment that connects the center to any point on the circle. So here's the radius in this picture. I can also draw any radius. So I could draw a radius from the center to any point on the circle. This could also be a radius, or this could also be a radius. Okay. Now notice JD is a radius because it goes from the center. We also have GJ is another radius. So naming, because it is a segment, this one would be JF. We also have JD and JG. The last definition is a secant line. So the definition is a line that intersects a circle at 2 points. Okay, so our chord here, if I look at this part with the arrows, that means this is also the secant. Okay, so the secant includes the 2 arrows because it's a line, and within the secant there is a chord. Okay, so this one we would name a C, but with 2 arrows in the name because it's a line, not a line segment.